If you're watching this video, you're looking for an HVAC professional that has a good reputation, that is trustworthy, and is going to do the job right to service, repair, or install a heating and cooling system in your home. In this video, we'll discuss the best heating and air conditioning companies in Central Ohio. Hi, I'm Luke from Fire and Ice. We believe in honesty and aren't afraid of healthy competition here in Central Ohio. Why? Well, we want you to be informed. We believe that Fire and Ice is well suited to meet all of your heating and cooling needs, but it's never a bad idea to see what alternatives are out there. So, we encourage you to compare. And if you're new to our channel and are interested in residential HVAC topics, subscribe to our channel for weekly educational content. Let's get started in taking a look at our alphabetical list of some of Columbus, Ohio's best HVAC contractors. First off is the oldest HVAC company in the area, Atlas Butler. They've been around since the 1800s and adopted their name in 1934. Throughout their history, they have been focused on both commercial and residential HVAC services. Next on our list is Care Heating and Cooling. They've been around since 1994 and specialize in both residential and light commercial HVAC equipment. If you live in the area, you likely have heard one of the commercials featuring their founder, Mike Weens. Columbus Worthington Air is next on our list and has been serving tens of thousands of homes and businesses since 1936. Next is 5-Star Heating and Cooling Group. They are a group of allied HVAC contractors in Ohio with multiple locations in and around Columbus and Dayton. As a group of connected contractors, they are able to service a wide area. Next up is Header Heating and Cooling. Much like Fire and Ice, they pride themselves on their training and service. They are a family-owned company that has been in business since 1963. And finally, since 1969, Logan AC and Heat Services has specialized in residential replacements. They have a strong presence in their 3 locations in Dayton, Columbus, and Cincinnati. This list isn't comprehensive, so we encourage you to do your own research as well. Before we get to the next section, if you're enjoying the video thus far, give us a like and leave a comment. We love to hear what you have to say and answer any questions you may have. And did you know we have more content on our website? Click the link here to visit our Learning Center for more in-depth information. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel to get more great content. With so many options, it becomes difficult to choose the right HVAC contractor. Here are some factors to consider when picking your next HVAC company. First is the standards and care set for their employees. Are they independent contractors or W-2 employees with benefits? From what we've seen, systems installed or repaired by independent contractors are often poor and end up costing the customer in the long run. At Fire and Ice, all of our employees are accountable for the quality of their work that they do, not just the amount of work that they do. Next is training. We believe in continuing education and have invested in Central Ohio's largest training center, where we provide our technicians with over 200 hours of continuing education per year. We also encourage and reimburse our technicians for any certifications they achieve. Third are sales tactics. If you've ever experienced high pressure sales, you know how painful it can be. Here at Fire and Ice, we understand deciding how to purchase a new HVAC system is a big decision that will impact your indoor comfort for the next 20 years or more. That's why we never use high pressure tactics. Fourth are load calculations. One way to maximize performance of any HVAC system is to have it properly sized to your home. The best way to do this is to have load calculations performed during a sales consultation. Oftentimes, this process is skipped and HVAC contractors simply use the same size system you previously had or guess based on the size of your home. Last are installation practices and follow-up. If corners are cut and less accurate tools are being used to install your equipment, it's likely your system will fail sooner than it should. That's why we use the most accurate digital tools and up-to-date installation practices to ensure your system is installed right the first time. If you're not 100% satisfied, we'll work to find the solution to make it right. I hope by now you have the knowledge and confidence to choose the best HVAC contractor that's right for you and your home. If you're in Central Ohio and you'd like to schedule an estimate or service for your HVAC system, visit our website in the link below. If you found this video helpful, let us know in the comments below. Feel free to like and subscribe and hit the bell icon to get notifications every time we upload a new video. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to making your day even better.